we have a 2006 Volkswagen Passat that has xenon lights. They auto leveling. This thing has been in an accident. We just got it from a body shop. The guys, they assembled it, set up the headlights. Apparently they all over the place. They're not aimed properly. And in this video we're gonna show you how to aim xenon self-leveling headlights in Volkswagen and Audi. Now, turn on your ignition. Don't start the car, just turn the ignition on. You gotta open up the headlight range control module. Check for error codes. We got no codes. You have to go to basic settings. Choose adjustment position. Click on off button, so enters the learning position. Then we're gonna need to open up the hood. Now, these self-leveling headlights, they only have adjustment going up and down, the manual adjustment. The side-to-side adjustment, this screw over here, this hex bolt, whatever you call it, plastic piece down there in the headlight, this is the actual side-to-side adjustment, but they do not work. They blocked off, so you cannot adjust it. In order for you to adjust the headlight side to side, you're gonna need to take the bumper off and actually manually move the headlight itself. However, if it's shining too low or too high, like you see over there, our left side is a little bit too low and the right side is a little bit too high, I guess. You could do that. This is the adjustment for the height of the headlights. So we have the car parked about 20 feet away from the wall. The side-to-side adjustment should be centered with the headlight center. Now the output beam of the headlight, this is the center of the beam. That beam should be about 4 inches lower than the center of the headlight at 20 feet away from the car. So park your car 20 feet away from the wall and measure the distance from the floor to the center of the lens. You see, we got about somewhere around 27 inches. So this corner over here should be about 23 inches of the floor, and we got it around 17 or 16 inches. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a mark on the wall where it should be and bring the headlight up to the mark. So we got our mark up on the wall. So you could cover up the other headlight just so it's easier to see where the headlight you're adjusting is actually shining. Just use some cardboard. Use cardboard and the masking tape. Tape it to the headlight. Don't tape it to painted surfaces, especially if they were just painted. You will get that paint off. Don't forget, if you just got your car from a body shop and your car was painted recently, it takes up to several months for the clear coat to cure completely. So if your car has been painted a couple of days back, chances are by putting a masking tape on it, you will take the paint off. So now we only got a light output of the left headlight on the wall, and you see where we have to bring the beam up. So now we're gonna insert the Allen key into the adjustment mechanism and start turning. Oops, wrong way. Yep, we're gonna leave it at that. Now remember, we cannot adjust it side to side, so we have it at about center of the headlight, side to side. If it would be off, then you will have to manually adjust the headlight itself in order to adjust side to side light output. Now we're gonna transfer the cover paper to the other headlight, to the left headlight. And we're gonna measure the distance on the wall again and put another mark on it for the right headlight. As you see, our beam is around over here. This car has different light bulbs in there. That's why the right light output is kind of yellowish and the left one was bluish. Now the right side headlight should be just a bit higher than the left, maybe a couple inches. So if we set the left headlight to be about 4 inches lower than the light itself, for the right one we're gonna go up 2 inches, so it's gonna be 25 inches. Now we got our mark up on the wall, 25 inches. Just gotta go up a couple inches. Once again, insert the tool into the height adjustment screw. Start going up. Yep. There you go. Now our headlights are aimed to the proper position. Take the cover off. See how it turns out. Go back to the computer. Switch it on off. Go back. And in order for you to check the movement of the headlights, just go to fault codes. Whenever you clear the fault codes, it's gonna readjust the headlights again. Click clear. Yes. And they went back to where they're supposed to be. That's about it.